Oh. Here we go. Look at him. Did I? I thought I didn't. I'm sorry.
Where's the breeding male?
The males? Those are the males. Those are males, and those are females. The males have long wings, and the females do not. They have little wing buds. They don't fly, they don't bite, they don't make sound except for crawling around everywhere. But all I did was lift one lid, and they kind of freak me out a little bit. But I mean, they don't do anything. It's a roach. I mean, they don't care.
They're big.
Yeah, they're big. That's the whole point. I mean, they can climb the cardboard because it's cardboard, you know. But they can't climb this. See? They're scurrying around down there. Looks like I got a white one. It's just molted.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if the camera can pick up all the sounds. That's so cool. Yeah. Let's see. They tickle. They tickle. Okay. Well, that's it. That's it. There's a bunch more under there. There we go. Here's the rest of them. And I'm sure there's tons more in that tube. Yep. There's quite a few little babies, but there's mostly adults and subadults, so I'm very pleased. They're almost filling this tube completely. Yep, there they are. All crawling out. All sucking on that apple I left in there.